Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Do you not get the concept?
So today we got a 10, oh my gosh, no misses y'all. We got a haul today. I just had to get that out there, but we have a vacation summer SHEIN haul for y'all. These are supposed to be all the outfits that came with me to St. Vincent, but the package is literally delivered when I landed in St. Vincent, so I didn't get to wear any of them, but we're probably gonna wear it on my next trip, hopefully, fingers crossed, whatever. Yeah, so let's just get straight into the video because I'm telling y'all, there's every single piece in there I love. There's not one thing in there that I did not like. Everything was tall girl friendly. Technically there was no pants for me to really say that, but like still they all fit. So let's get first into the basicer stuff. Let's do the sets, right? Let's do the sets. Yeah. Set number one, there's a collab with Missguided and Playboy, so I'm kind of obsessed with like Playboy stuff, so I always be like, oh, let me see. So I went through that part of it first. So I got this set, and tell me this is not cute. This is the top, right? And look, they have the little verification things on it, Playboy x Missguided. But this is the top, a little one sleeve. I got this in a size small. Oh, sorry. For disclaimer for you guys, if you're new, I'm 5'8". I am 156, and I actually got measurements now, so I could probably put that in the stuff down below. Everything's in centimeters if y'all like want to know like waist, hips, all of that, because I had to get measured because my friend is having an African birthday and I'm getting my dress made in Nigeria. I'm too hyped anyways. But yeah, this is the single sleeve top. It is a workout material. What do they call this? Like it's not Velcro, like, you know what I mean. The little Playboy logo is right there on the side, Missguided next to it. It's real cute, fits real nice on me, like perfect snug. The skirt, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know how it's big and small at the same time. Like the shorts are a little big, but the length is a little small, if that makes sense. Did I say that right? The length on is a little small, the hips and stuff is a little big. It's a sports. Look at it, so cute, right? The shorts is literally right under it. When I tried it on, you don't really see the shorts. The only reason why I know I could get away with this is because I do have on shorts, but it's a little short. It's a little short, but it eats. Like, if I was a tennis girl and I had practice or something, I was wearing this. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna wear it somewhere. I need to get some cute little white Simbas, however you say the Adidas, and wear it with this set because this ate down. 10 out of 10. Like, this is the first thing I saw and I said, hey, do you need any more athleisure wear? And I was like, this is that cute athleisure wear that I could wear outside. I don't know where, but somewhere. I don't know, like, but it's so cute. Like, you can't tell me it's not cute. The skirt was also in a size small, by the way, if you're wondering. So that is set number one. Let me show you set number two, which is also from Missguided x Playboy again. This one, it gives a little gel, but I feel like anytime something is striped, it gives gel. Sue me. But this is so cute. When I tried it on, I did not realize that the back of the shirt says Playboy on it. The shirt is in a size, I'm pretty sure this is a size small. Let me see. Yep, size small. It's a button up. It buttons all the way up, and it has a very thick collar, y'all. The material on is thick. I'm not gonna lie, whenever I shop SHEIN, I love shopping straight from the Missguided shop. Missguided, I don't know if they still have like a website by themselves, but before I found out about Fashion Nova, I was a Missguided girl. So once I go on SHEIN and I'm shopping, I already know Missguided, the quality is going to be top tier up there. I don't gotta worry about nothing. But this is the top. It's a short sleeve top. It's breathable. You can see the holes in it. It's breathable. It has the little Playboy logo on it. And it's actually really long. It buttons all the way down. I don't think it covers my butt, but like it gets there. It gets there a little bit. But this is it. The buttons on it are itty bitty. What do you think these are? They're light pink. I'm like, are they white? They're light pink. Eats down, baby. Then I got the matching shorts to go with it. They're not booty shorts, but they're still short. Okay, so it doesn't give capris. Like, it's like right under my butt, but it's like spacey, airy, comfy. Like, when I thought about getting this, I was like, ooh, airplane, ooh, chill, because y'all know I don't never have nothing chill, but I was like, ooh, chill, like this is gonna do for me. The shorts are also a size small. I've been learning my size. Yeah. What I also like about these shorts is that they have pockets on them. Both sides eat down. The shirt don't got no pockets. It don't even have a little tiny pocket at the top, and it is stretchy. elastic waist, but it does not have a drawstring in it. I would say this is true to size. Yeah, I don't want to say size up, I don't want to say size down. I think it's true to size. So just get your regular size and it should fit. The top is not stretchy, by the way, so make sure you get the right size. Make sure you get the right size. And my chest is 32B, 32A. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really wear bras like that, so I can't even give y'all an accurate bra size because some of them are A, some of them are B's, but both of them still fits your girl. It depends on how broad my back is, like how hard I'm going in the gym. But that's set number 2, a red and pink set. If it was in green and yellow, that would have ate down too. I'm not even gonna hold you. That would have ate so bad. But anyways, let's go to the next thing. This is my third chill outfit. Don't worry, stay tuned. You're going to see the fire fits that I was supposed to have. So let's start with the sweatpants. The sweatpants are tall girl friendly. This is also from Missguided. This is in a size medium, and this is so baggy and so long. Like literally I was like, wow, like my feet are hiding when it hits the floor. It's a flare bottom pants. The material is really heavy. I'm pretty sure this will be more for like the fall winter time, but I needed some loose sweatpants. Okay, I've had too many sweatpants where the bottom scrunches at it. The pants I have that like flare, they're like too tight around my butt. Some of them been washed too much. Some of them are just, I just needed something new, something where I want to like just run downstairs real quick and I want to put something on that's like comfy. These, they have, oh no, there's no drawstring on this one either, so it's just the elastic band that makes it stretchy. Does it have pockets? Abso-freaking-lutely. What does it say? Oh, it says New York on it. I don't know if that really matters to anybody. I didn't get it because I'm from New York. I just like the sweatpants. They have pockets on both sides. I'm pretty sure you could fit like a phone in here. Yeah, some keys. They sturdy enough. This is how the pocket looks. Paper on this side and then the regular material on the other side. And look at the flare on them. Every time I think about flare pants now, even though flare pants I feel like is more of a female thing, I think about whenever guys wear sweatpants now, because you know they be trying to be like fashion dudes and stuff, so they be having the big oversized flare sweatpants with the giant bulky shoes and stuff. Like, is it for girls anymore? I don't know, but I give these sweatpants a freaking 10. And I feel like these sweatpants, I'm not gonna lie to you, if you're like 5'11", you probably could still get away with these. I put on some heels that I ordered with them. The heels have to be like 2-3 inches, so definitely 5'10". I feel like 5'11", you could probably still get away with these. And this is it hitting the floor without no shoes, and then with the heels it's like hitting the floor just a tiny bit. So definitely up to 5'10", I would say, for the tall girls, if you're wondering. I'm sorry 6 feet girlies, I'm not that tall to judge for y'all, but close enough, right? Maybe not, maybe not. I know the struggle, I'm sorry. But yeah, so that's the sweatpants. Where's the top? Where's the top? Found it. Then obviously if I'm gonna get sweatpants, I need a basic t-shirt. I also realized I don't have a lot of basic tees or like tank tops, so I was gonna get like go crazy on them, but I'm like, nah, get some actual clothes. So I got this tank. This is also from Missguided. Is it see-through? No ma'am, no ma'am, it's not see-through. Yeah, and it fits the way I like it. Like the top is tight, the bottom is tight. It's no like flip over under it. That's what I'm talking about. I know. This is in a size, what size is this? I want to say small. Yep, size small. And I'm remembering the sizes for y'all. Let's get it. But look at it. The strings are, they're stretchy. They're probably weak. I don't know how long this shirt will last me, but for the summer it will do. It will do. Love. That was supposed to be my airport outfit, but we gonna wear that next week. Don't even worry about it, babes. Don't even worry. Okay, now on to, should I do accessories first, or should I do the cutesy outfits that I thought of? No, let's pause and do accessories. First up, we got this golden clutch. I don't really have that many clutch bags. I don't really have that much gold and silver bags, but this baby, I would hold this all night. Like, this is comfortable. Like, it literally fits in the grip of my hand. I really like that. But if you don't want to hold it all night, I will tell you that when you open it up, how do I get it open? Yeah, when you open it up, there is a chain. So if you want to hook it and wear it as like a side bag, you're good. You're good. But I feel like it looks so much cuter as a clutch. The bag is spacious. Look how much space is in here. You can put a phone. I don't think I can fit my camera in here. Yeah, I'm not gonna even play myself. Maybe I'll see it later, but I don't think it can fit my camera here. The clothes on it is magnetic. Excuse my English. There's no pockets or nothing in it. It's just real cute. Wears a clutch, wear it on the side. What did you say? What did you say? Like, I just like that it fits so perfect in my hand. I love that for me. I love that for you. I love that for us if you decide to get the bag. Yeah. And just so you know, all this stuff is going to be down below in the bio, whatever y'all want to see, whatever y'all want to shop. Yeah, and use my discount code because we're getting there, y'all. I know. Next. Ooh. Do you see these? Do you see these shoes? They're so freaking cute. I know. I think they're hydrangeas, the flowers on it. I think they're hydrangeas, but they're so cute. I got this in a size 9. The only downfall is that my feet are a little wider, so it was kind of hard to get it in snug, but it does fit. If I would maybe get a half size up, but then again, I don't want it to be clacking behind my feet. But look at them. My favorite color, green. You got the little burgundy accents right here. This is more of like an olive green, if you know what I mean. And yeah, and it's really short. This is what I mean. Like 2 inches. Like, you could wear these. These are sandals. These are not even heels for real. The perfect summer kitten heels. The perfect summer kitten heels. Hello. Eat down. Fire. And this is gonna go with one of the outfits that I wanted to wear so bad. I know. I know. But let me find the chain because that's the last accessory for this. So this was the chain. It's really cutesy. It's gold. I still did not bother to try and detangle it, but it's a stack necklace. You can see it has little accents. It's purple and orange. It has like the moon. I don't know what it has. The moon, the sun. It's real cute, and it doesn't hang too low on your neck, which I really like. And that was pretty much it. Just a cute little chain. I'm gonna have to put this in the bag because I'm gonna be sick if this necklace pops on me. Like, don't do me. Don't do me. Now let's finally get into the star of the show, the outfit that I was like, oh, I cannot wait to wear this. And I still can't wait to wear it now, because even when I put on with the braids, I was like, ooh, this is like, maybe I need to keep the braids in for the one time just to wear this outfit for real. So first off, let's start with the skirt. The skirt is from Missguided. I told y'all. Let me tell you something. If you have a really big butt, don't get it. Don't get it, because this is 2 separate pieces. Let me show y'all. Only because I tried it on, you can see it's tight. It's literally comes like this. Piece number 1, cloth to cover your coochie. Piece number 2, cloth to cover your booty crack. Literally, that's it. And you cannot wear no panties with this outfit. So I'm telling you, if you wear the skirt, be prepared to sit down, not to act wild, not to give a little 1-2 whine, nothing. Because when I tie it, even if I tie it, no, you could still, like, my whole side of my leg is out. Like, unless I did like a clear panty thing, that's the only way. But you would still kind of see like the clear plastic if you look close enough. But the illusion, like, I get it, but still, it looks so much better without the underwear. And if you look at it, it's a little sequence type of print. It has little beads at the bottom. I got this in a size small. I do like it. I felt a little naked when I tried on the skirt by itself, but when I put it on with the shirt, I was like, okay, this is better. Like, it looks like I have clothes on. It doesn't look like I'm giving cave woman type of thing. But this is the skirt. This was in a size extra small, and I got it in an extra small because of the sizing online. Would I size up and get a small? Probably not, because when I tie these on my waist, it fits exactly. I don't know if I would have got a small, it would have been a little longer or something. That might have been the only reason I would have sized up, but no, I'm gonna keep it at the extra small length. But it's tea, baby. And again, my favorite color, greens and blues. And look, it goes so cute with my nails. Love it. And I was gonna wear it with the heels and the necklace, but let me show you the top that I got with it. The model had a yellow top, so what did I do? I went and I got a yellow top. And this yellow top eats. This one is, I think it's from SHEIN Bay, that part of the thing. It just says SHEIN on it, so I don't know exactly, but again, check the comment, check the bio. But it's a deep cut top. Y'all already know how I feel about my back out, and I feel about the deep cut in here, because you know why? When you have little boobs, that's the only reason why I'm like, okay, I don't want big boobs. Because when you have little boobs, you could get away with wearing tops like this. Ain't nothing gonna fall out because ain't nothing there, okay? Ain't nothing there. So this is top. It has 4 ties. The 2 top to tie the top of it, and then there's 2 in the back to tie the back of it, and the plunge is so cute. It hits down by your waist. I like that. I was really hoping it didn't like cut above my belly button. It cuts right below it, which is perfect. This is in a size small, yeah, and it's a bright yellow. Like, it gives so summertime, it gives so vacation, so put me on the beach, so put me on a beach party, so put me on a boat. Like, love it down, love it down. And together, as you can see from that video, together, fire, baby, fire. Final piece, this one is from the Ann West section. This is the only thing that, based on the price, I kind of wouldn't recommend it, but as a dress, not even as a dress, as a beach cover up, it's really nice. I was going for something more blingy. I realized that that's really in style this summer, but everything is see-through. Like, I thought it was a dress. I thought this was like more covered up at the top, but no, my nipples were showing in it, so I had to like put pasties under it, and then you definitely have to wear underwear. You definitely have to wear underwear under it. And I like that it has the plunge in the back. It's real cute. You tie the top. It's a crochet type of vibes. This is burgundy, not red. And oh, the other thing is that I wish it hit the floor. It hits like right between my knees halfway and my ankles halfway. So that's the only, I thought it would hit the floor. I don't know if I'm just like too tall or something for it, but whatever. But it's showcased online as a dress. It is not a dress. It is a beach cover up. As a beach cover up, really cute. I'll give you that. But I was gonna wear this to a party as like a regular dress. Baby, no, you would be naked and I would look at me like, girl, where you going? Where are you going? I don't know. But anyways, that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, because I did. I loved it. So cannot wait to wear the clothes. And comment down below what else y'all want to see, where else I should shop at. And if you're new, subscribe, join the fam. Yeah, subscribe. We finally hit 2K, guys. We finally hit 2K. I'm so freaking excited about that. But other than that, love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye.